In this video, I will show you shortcut key to apply date formatting in Microsoft Excel. Select it, press Ctrl Shift number 3 on your keyboard. So click anyway, select it, Ctrl Shift number 3 on your keyboard. And if it's not working, so right click on it, then format cells, date, and select any format from here. From here you can make it short or long date. So this is the date. Control Shift and number 3 on your keyboard. So write any date. And select it, then press Ctrl Shift and number 3 on your keyboard. So using this shortcut you can apply date formatting. Thanks for watching.